Okay, so we will continue with climate of India. Okay, climate of India. So in climate of India, we discussed about climate, we discussed about weather. Okay, so in climate of India, we talked about weather as well as climate. Okay, so weather is a day-to-day what phenomena of a particular place within a short period of time, whereas climate is long. Yes, means climate is the condition of the place for a long period of time that we can consider as a season. Okay, and then we talked about features of climate in India. So India is a mostly monsoon type of climate. India has monsoon type of climate where summer is hot and wet, okay, moist, and winters are cold and dry. So what are the factors that affect the climate? So the factors are, number one is latitudes. Okay, latitude of a place. So as we know, India is located, suppose this is Earth. Okay, this is equator. We have northern hemisphere, we have southern hemisphere, correct? Okay, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And as we know that the place, okay, at the center of the Earth, that means this area receive direct rainfall, so it is very much hot. Okay, so this place is very much hot as compared to other places. Okay, like we have as for example, we have Sahara Desert. Okay, it lies in the equatorial belt. Okay, even Amazon rainforest. So many rainforests are located here, but India is located above the equator. India is located above the equator, in between Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and we have Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere. Tropic of how it fell down doesn't matter. So the climate of India as compared, that means between the equator it's very hot, but as we all know, this North Pole and this South Pole, they are very cold. Why they are very cold? Because ray of the sun, they fall indirectly, inclined position, but here the ray fall directly. Okay, so we can say that in Tropic of Cancer, in Tropic of Capricorn, we have a moderate temperature. We have a moderate temperature. Moderate temperature means not cold and not hot. Okay, so we don't have a very cold temperature and we don't have a very hot temperature also. Okay, that determines the latitude. Okay, so if I say in Greenland, so what must be the climate in Greenland? It's cold because it is located above the Tropic of Cancer. England? No, England is also cold. Okay, because it is above the Tropic of Cancer. Moderate Australia in southern hemisphere. India is located here at this portion. Understood? Got it? So we have a moderate type of climate. Moderate type of climate, yes? In between? In equator. We have many countries. We have Indonesia. We have mostly, yes, not Sri Lanka, but Sri Lanka is hotter. Okay, Sri Lanka is hotter than India because it lies close to equator. Then number two, we have distance from sea. Distance from sea. So why How does it is very much hot? Because the distance from the sea, that land is far away from the sea. But if you take India as a whole, okay, if you take India as a whole, okay, three water bodies are present: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So in that case also, India doesn't have a extreme climate, not extreme hot, not extreme cold. Okay, moderate type of climate. Okay, then third one we have altitude. What do you mean by altitude? Altitude means distance from the sea level. Distance from the sea. As for example, we have mountains. We have heard about mountains. We have studied about mountains, plateaus, plains. Okay, that means elevation, the height of the landforms. Okay, so as we go upwards, okay, we feel colder and colder. We feel colder and colder. As for example, right now, this place is plain. Okay, this place is plain. But Kashmir is located in hill areas. Okay, that means they have a higher altitude. They have a higher altitude. So altitude also determines the climate of that place. Okay, altitude also determines the climate of that place. Okay, the more you rise, the colder you feel. Okay, in Shimla, okay, you will feel much more colder as you rise. Again, if you come down, if you go towards Goa, if you go towards Maharashtra, you will feel hotter. Okay, that is due to what? Altitude. Altitude means distance from the sea. Good. Distance from sea. Okay, got it? Okay. Then we have, after altitude, we have northern mountains. So the northern mountains also affect the climate. We will write mountains. Okay, we will not write northern mountains. Mountains also affect the climate. As for example, in northern India, North India means Delhi, UP, Bihar. Okay, what we feel during summer? Summer is very hot, and winters are very cold. Okay, so we have extreme hot and extreme cold. Okay, in summers we just feel that we'll remove all the clothes and sit under the fan, or we will be in water. But in winters we don't want to touch even water. Okay, so this condition is due to the mountains present in the northern range. Okay, the mountains present in the northern range. The wind blows, and the wind itself take the cold wave. Understood? So if there is a snowfall in Kashmir, what will happen? We will also feel cold. Okay, that means at that time we experience a cold weather. Okay, that means mountain can also affect the climate of that place. Okay, then monsoon winds. Why we are writing monsoon winds? Why not only winds? Actually, we are talking about monsoon winds in comparison with India, because India have a monsoon type of climate. Okay, India have a monsoon type of climate. So monsoon wind also affect the climate of our India. That means climate of the place, certain places. Okay, as for example, Rajasthan, Delhi is much more hotter. Okay, why? Because the moisture, the wind that moves from the Bay of Bengal couldn't reach the eastern part. Sorry, couldn't reach the western part. As for example, Bay of Bengal, sorry, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean we will not write. Okay, so the wind, when wind moves, the wind moves in this direction. Okay, wind moves in this direction. So if this wind is moving this direction, it will take moisture with it, along with it. Okay, so when it moves here, okay, this portion, Orissa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, they have a pleasant temperature. Okay, means not that much warm. But as it reaches Delhi and Rajasthan, what will happen? The amount of moisture will decrease. Decrease, not increase. Okay, because as cloud moves, it will lose the water. Okay, इधर क्या होता है, मॉइस्चर वो क्लाउड में ज्यादा होता है, पानी धीरे धीरे बढ़ते धीरे धीरे वो बारिश के कारण that clouds become empty. So in this place, this area, the western part of India, western part remains dry and don't get confused. It remains dry and hot because of this monsoon wind. Got it this much? So the factors that affect the climate of India are latitude of the place, distance from the sea. Where is longitude? Distance from the sea, altitude, okay, mountains and monsoon winds. Okay, got it? Now let's move towards season. Let's move towards season. So how many seasons we mostly see or you have learnt? Any name? Winter season, autumn, spring season, rainy season, and summer season. Got it? Monsoon is rainy. What? If you learn according to our standard, there are many seasons. So don't get confused. I am telling that only. Okay, that means in your junior classes, we talk that we have only 4 seasons: winter, autumn, spring, and summer. Okay, we have 4 seasons. In some places, we talked about rainy season also. Okay. We talked about rainy season also. Got it? So basically, if you ask to your lower standard student, he or she will say summer, autumn, spring, winter, rainy season. Okay, but this summer and this monsoon, they come simultaneously. They come simultaneously means they come together. Okay, they come together. That means rainy season and summer season, they come together. Okay, or we can say this spring. Okay, this spring, we don't have spring because as soon as winter is finished, the hot air starts blowing and directly we will receive summer for a short period of time, and it will touch monsoon also. Okay, so as per your standard, that means after class 6, we are going to study winter first of all, then we have summer directly, winter, then summer, then rainy or monsoon, and autumn. Yes, only 4. Only 4. Why only 4? Because after winter, we don't have spring. Okay, we don't have spring, we don't recognize spring because it is for a short period of time. It is for a short period of time where flowers grow. Okay, new flowers emerge. Okay, a garden will be full of different flowers. Okay, so we are merging it. What we are doing? We are merging it. Merging means Yes, we have added that in retreating winter and emerging summer. Okay, then summer and monsoon also, it is contradictory. That means they come simultaneously. That means summer, as soon as summer starts, we experience monsoon also. Then autumn. Autumn means after the summer. That means in the month of September or October. Okay, we don't feel that much hot also, and we don't feel that much cold also. Okay, yes. Hindi meaning of autumn. Padjar, no, Padjar means winter. Okay. Hindi meaning is starts to Hindi teacher. Okay, I don't remember Hindi of this. Okay, so we have winter season, summer season, monsoon season, and autumn season basically. Okay, so this winter season is also dry and cold. It's dry and cold, and it starts from the month of November to February. You can write November to February. Yes, at some extent March also can come, but we will take February. Okay, so here the seasons are cold in northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, northern part of India. In northern India, we have cold and dry. How winters will be hot? We have cold and dry. But in southern India, yes, it is moderate. Moderate means not that much hot and not that much cold. Okay, that means in northern part we have cold and dry. In southern part we have moderate temperature. Okay, and why it is dry? Because of less humidity. Okay, and why in southern India we have a moderate temperature, not cold? Yes, because it is located near the sea, as well as it is near the equator. That means close to equator, not Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into equal halves. Okay, right from the middle. Okay, so this season starts from November to February, and in northern part of India the temperature can go up to -5 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is minimum, and maximum we have 15 or 20 degrees you can write. Okay, you can write 20 degree maximum. Maximum is 20 degree, and in southern hemisphere we have 30 to, yes, 30 we can say. Okay, moderate temperature. Okay, not that much hot. Got it? Okay, summer finished, winter finished. Now summer. So summer season starts from when? March to May. From March to May. Okay, it starts from March to May, and same temperature in throughout India is hot and not wet. It will be after May. Okay, when all the winds, the monsoon winds take out the moisture from the sea. Okay, mostly hot and humid. Humid means same, humidity jahan zyada. Okay, where humidity is more. Okay, and temperature can go more than 30 or 35 degree centigrade. Okay, in both the hemispheres, in both the parts of India. But as we have studied that altitude also affect the climate. Okay, so in northern India we have mountains. So in mountain region the climate is cold only. Okay, And whereas in Deccan region we have plateaus. So plateau is also high level, elevated land. So at that place also temperature is not that much hot. Okay, not that much hot as compared to northern part of India. As compared to UP, Bihar, Odisha, Maharashtra, the climate of Karnataka is pleasant. Got it? Okay, so we can conclude that South India have a moderate temperature. South India have a moderate temperature, whereas North India, in winters it is very cold, in summer it is very hot. Okay, it has an extreme type of climate. Got it? Now, third one, rainy season. Third one, rainy season or monsoon we can write. Okay, rainy or monsoon. So it starts from June to September. June to September, and in June, okay, in June we receive rainfall also, and we receive very hot weather also. Okay, June doesn't think that when June starts, when the June month comes, it starts raining. No. Okay, we have a hot climate and slowly it starts. Slowly rainfall starts. Okay, or it will starts. Okay, so June to September, and most of our agriculture, most of our farmers, they depend on this monsoon only. Because if there is no good monsoon, what will happen? Yes, the crops will dry. Okay, even the groundwater will also dry. Okay, so we are very much eager to receive the monsoon climate. Okay, or to receive the rainfall, because it is very much important part for our Indian economy, Indian living standards also. Okay, so we have a few things like monsoon first starts where? All part of India directly? No. As I told you that we have the monsoon wind blows from, okay, suppose this is peninsular India. Okay, the wind blows from like this. The wind blows? Huh? Yes? No, it can't blow. Okay, that is due to rotation of the earth. Okay, due to rotation of the earth, the monsoon wind blows this way. So first of all, you will hear that rainfall of monsoon starts in Kerala region. First of all. Okay, it's not that all parts of the India receive at the same time. No. Okay, we don't receive the rainfall at the same time. Okay, first we receive at Kerala, then it will move towards other part, and at last it ends at no, Punjab, that will not receive Punjab. Delhi, and that also very little. Okay, that's why in news you will hear that today Delhi receive a rainfall. What is there in the news? We receive the rainfall here also. Okay, but the thing is that Delhi is the place where rainfall is not that much observed. Okay, it's very rare. Okay, so in it, when it rains, it will be a breaking news. Okay, it will be a breaking news. And at last we have autumn, okay, which starts from the month of October and November, and at that time the temperature is moderate because the day and night are same. Day and night are same during that period. Okay, got it? Okay, just go through it. Okay, this was all about climate of India.